Today you're gonna be making the best gravy of your life, all natural, made of the juices from the turkey that you just cooked. So come over so you can check out my recipe. This is a very simple recipe and very delicious. So we're gonna add 2 spoons of butter. You got your butter melted, and now it's time to add 2 spoons of flour. Okay, mix all together, shake it very well, so you can see that there is no like parts, like that small thick parts of flour. It has to dissolve completely in the butter. And after that, we're gonna add 1 cup of the turkey juices. One important thing, for every cup of juice, you need 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. That's why I'm adding 2 cups of the turkey juices, because I already had the other measurements. And this is ready. Just let it boil for about 2 minutes, and you have 2 options. This is made with the recipe I made of turkey, orange turkey, that is over here, and you can go and make it. It's just splendid. But if you made your own and you feel like the juices need a little more flavor, or if you are using a broth, don't worry. What you can do is just add 2 cloves. No, I'm like my son now. 4 cloves. 4 cloves. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of orange juice. That is gonna give you a lot of flavor in case your broth doesn't have it. So this is ready, and now it's time to serve. So I just let it boil for a couple of minutes, and that's it. Let me taste this. Guys, this is just amazing. Now it's time to put it down and just to put it over turkey, and look at that. Oh gosh, you are gonna enjoy this. Okay. I told you that this was a perfect gravy recipe. You are gonna love it, and you're gonna love this turkey. So go over to this video and watch how to make it. It's really, really easy. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this recipe, and look for me on Instagram as Spicy Latina Mom. I see you next week with more beautiful recipes.